Okay, so first of all, nothing about making YouTube content is easy, but it's definitely possible to make full-time revenue from YouTube. What up guys, 𝐿𝐻𝐵 here from Get Fixed. Now welcome to Let's Talk. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how I was able to generate $20,000 on my YouTube channel, and I plan on making a lot more just using these 3 strategies. Let's get it. Get fixed. Let's get it. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 key points I use in order to generate views, an audience, and income. The first one is research. Whatever topic you decide to talk about, you are going to want to do research behind it first to verify whether or not there's an audience behind it. So the way I simply go about doing my research is this. I'll go on Google or YouTube and I'll type in the topic I want to talk about. For example, how to repair a BMW's engine. I'll type that up on Google and then I'll take a look at the search results to see what the search results are. If I see 380 million, that lets me know, okay, there's an audience there. You can go down that path. The same thing goes for YouTube. I could simply go onto YouTube, type in drivetrain malfunction BMW, and then look at the search results to see what kind of videos are posted and how many views they're getting. The views simply lets you know there's an audience there. It is good to make that type of content. Last thing you want to do is make content with nobody watching. Number 2, production. When you're producing videos, you want to be clear and to the point. Do not waste the audience's time thinking you're pulling a fast one on them, thinking that, oh yeah, I'm grabbing their attention, I'm having them watch, I'm having them like my video, I'm having them do this, do that. No. You want to be able to hold their attention, but be to the point. Audience retention is by far one of the most important triggers when it comes to getting views on YouTube. If the viewer clicks off the video after a few seconds, what do you think that tells the algorithm? Your thumbnail was either misleading or the video sucks. Number 3. You want to increase your impression click-through rates. Basically what an impression is whenever somebody searches for a topic on YouTube, when they scroll even past your video, that's considered an impression because it was seen or it was viewed on that page. If they click into your video, that's a click-through rate impression. So you're competing against other YouTube videos. You do want to make your thumbnail enticing in order to get the audience to click into it. Once they click into it, it's the retention that matters. How long are you able to captivate and hold the audience's attention for? The longer you could hold it for, the more the algorithm is going to push your content and promote it out to more people. A great video thumbnail can increase the amount of time your video is clicked on when seen in the search results. The better the audience retention and click-through rate, the more the algorithm will suggest your content. If you have any questions about anything I talked about today, be sure to let me know what it is down in the comments below. Anyways, guys, 𝐿𝐻𝐵 here from Get Fixed, and I'm out. Peace. Let's get it.